Trig Part 4, Problem 1. With the given triangle, which trigonometric ratio can be used to find the hypotenuse? Okay, that's the hypotenuse because it's opposite the 90. Okay, so which trig function could be used? Well, here are our answer choices, and we look at our answer choices to help here. Notice that I have the 40 degree as an answer choice and the 50 degree as an answer choice. So let's look at the two ways, working with this acute angle or with this one. This angle here and these two sides, remember, would be the adjacent here because that's the hypotenuse. So to work with this one, I need to use adjacent and hypotenuse, which would be cosine. So let's take a look at that. Cosine 40 degrees is equal to 15 over c. Okay, and to get rid of this fraction, you multiply to this side, so that would end up looking c times cosine 40 degrees is equal to 15. Okay, so none of those. Let's go to the next one. To use sine, I have an opposite, and the hypotenuse. So this would be the opposite. So that would be sine 40 degrees is equal to b over c, and then to get rid of this fraction, you take the denominator, move it to the opposite side, the equal sign. So c times sine 40 degrees is equal to b. Okay, that's incorrect. Okay, so I can cross out c and b and cross out a. So this has to be the correct equation through process of elimination. Let's test it. So tangent 50 from this angle here, okay, the sides changed, okay, because this is your hypotenuse, this is the adjacent. Okay, so tangent 50 degrees is going to equal, remember, opposite divided by adjacent. So I've got to come over here. This is my opposite from that angle. So opposite divided by the adjacent would be 15 over b, and then take this to the other side and multiply. So b times tangent 50 degrees is equal to 15. So that would be the correct answer, D.